Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Arafat from Make Way for Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can earn money from Grammarly affiliate program. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Moving forward to the video. So first you have to open this website in any of your browsers, grammarly.com/affiliates. You can find the link in the description. So when you open this website, you will see this interface: earn big promoting Grammarly. Become an affiliate. You can see the commission details over here. If anyone clicks on your link, and if he or she registers to Grammarly, you will get 20 cents, and if they purchase a premium plan, you will get $20 as a commission. So moving forward, after opening this website, you have to click on sign in as an you have to click on become an affiliate if you haven't already. So we'll click on become an affiliate. Now you have to enter your name and address. Fill in all the details properly. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on both of them, then click on sign up. Password must contain at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and either a number or a special character. Okay, so we'll have to sign up. Required additional question must be answered. I understand. I understand. Okay, sign up. Your application is currently being reviewed. An account manager will contact you shortly. Okay, so our application is already been sent to the Grammarly team and it's being reviewed. So once it gets approved, you will get a notification by email, and then you can verify your email and start sharing your affiliate link or the banner on your website. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up.